Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got a 2013 Toyota Sequoia Limited. This is the big bad boy. It's got fog lights, chrome front end. It's got Michelin tires with decent tread all the way around. Limited has features like heated seats, sunroof, leather. It's a big third row. It's got the 5.7 liter V8 engine, the same one the Tundra has. It's got the tow package. So you can see the 5.7. It is a one owner. It's got power folding seats here. You can fold these seats down and spread out your mat if you want. It's also got a power door, as you can see there. It's got a good luggage rack on it, running boards, very roomy inside. Got power windows, power locks, got a premium sound system, got your power mirrors, your power rear door, got power seats, leather seats in fairly good shape, sunroof. Got a big open center console here. Looks like you got some charging ports in there. Let's go ahead and start her up. On the lock, you got on the on the remote, you got the unlock, lock, and the rear door. As you can see, starts right up. In the center console, you got a bunch of different apps. It is touch. Got navigation. As you can hear, the air is working. You've got a backup camera right there. You've got Bluetooth and a bunch of other options, including Sirius XM, etc. You can roll up and down the back window. It's got 189,789 on the miles. No warning lights. Personally drove this vehicle up from Shreveport, about 150 miles, no problems. You got Bluetooth controls in your steering wheel. Beautiful vehicle. You can see 3 rows. Headliner's in great shape. Vehicle's been very well kept. It's got some rear controls here for the back passengers. Seats fold forward to give access to the back. Also, you can control the power third row seats from up here. It does have a tow package, if I forgot to mention that. You got your backup radar as well, built into the bumper. Seats in the back are all good shape. Again, your power buttons for the rear third row. Got Sequoia branded floor mats. Leather's good on the passenger seat. Comes with the original books here. It's got a couple of different glove boxes. Some nice cup holders there. As you can hear, it's running very quietly. The big 5.7. Love to get you approved on this vehicle. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.